Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can use DALL-E 2. Alright, DALL-E 2 is an AI model developed by the same company that developed ChatGPT, which is OpenAI. So DALL-E 2 can generate unique images from textual descriptions. It uses deep learning techniques to understand the semantics of the text and create corresponding images that match the description. So essentially, DALL-E 2 is a tool for creating computer generated art that is inspired by human language. All right, now to access DALL-E 2, you can go ahead and type doll.e dash 2. So here, click on this one, DALL-E 2 OpenAI. All right, so here, this is DALL-E's website. So here it says DALL-E 2 is a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in a natural language. All right, so let's scroll down and see what it offers. So here, there is an example. Okay, so let's look at text description. So here, if I am going to hover my mouse to a bowl of soup that looks like a monster, sprayed painted on a wall, and here in the right, we can actually see the picture being generated. So down below here, these are different variations of the image. So you can choose which one you like best from here. So these are all bowl of soup sprayed on a wall. Okay. So if you change your text description right here, your image is also going to change, and also the variations will change too. All right, so let's go down a little bit. So here it says DALL-E 2 can expand images beyond what's in the original canvas, creating expansive new composition. So here we have this painting. Originally, this is just a portrait of a woman, but if you move around, then the AI is actually going to construct its surrounding that is going to match the original image. And in this case, it is going to match this painting. So as you move around, the AI is going to construct its surroundings. Okay, so here you can also upload an original image, and if you click on this area with the number 1, we can actually insert an object. So for this example, we're going to use this flamingo right here. Now, if you click on number 1, that flamingo is going to be inserted in this particular area. Now, let's try to click on number 2, and we can see that the flamingo is on that particular area as well. Click on 3 and see that the flamingo is in that area, and now it looks like a real flamingo. All right, now these are sample images. So let's try DALL-E 2 using our own text description. Okay, and here what you can do is you can click on Try DALL-E. So it is going to load up the interface. Now here we can see that there are a few samples of what DALL-E can do. So if you hover to an image, for example, in this fish, you can see what the textual prompt was used to produce this particular artwork. All right, so let's look at this one. It's a photo of a white fur monster standing in a purple room. So we have that picture over there. And this one, for example, it's a futuristic neon lit cyborg face. So that is the artwork. And for example, this one, a bowl of soup, that is also a portrait to another dimension digital art. Okay, so the way DALL-E works is just like ChatGPT, you can describe what you want and you can be as specific as you could. All right. So for example, here, if I want DALL-E to generate an image for me, say for example, we can say a man drinking water in the middle of a desert while holding, let's say, a camel. Okay, now click on generate. Okay, so here we can see four different images for this one. So here we can see all pictures of a man drinking water in the middle of a desert while holding a camel. So this is our prompt. Okay, so here let's try another one. All right, so let's try cyberpunk style image pursuit at night. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so here there are also four images. Okay, so let's check these out. I think let's take a look at this one first. Alright, so here as you can see, this is exactly what we typed. Alright, so a cyberpunk style chase scene at night. Okay, alright, so here let's try to add more words in the prompt. So let's say two police cars. Alright, so let's wait for a little bit. Okay, so there we have it. The images changed as we add more words to our prompt. So let's look at the details of this one. So there are two police cars chasing in a cyberpunk style image. All right, so what I want to do is click on variations over here, and we will be able to see different kinds of that shot or that style. So let's give it a few seconds. So here we can see the original one, and we have four other variations of that kind of picture. So you can also edit this one. So say for example, we can go down in here and let's click on add generation frame. So what this does is it is going to analyze the picture and extend it. So say for example, we can do it like this. Alright, so here we can see that the picture is being completed. Alright, so just click on accept, and this is going to be your new image. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.